In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Opera GX browser to Windows. We'll start inside any web browser that's already on your PC, like Edge, Chrome, Firefox, or Opera. Click into the address bar at the top and get ready to search. In the search field, type Download Opera GX, then press Enter. This will bring up results for Opera's gaming-focused browser, known for customization and resource controls that can help keep your system responsive. On the results page, look for the official Opera GX gaming browser website. It should clearly mention Opera in the link and description. If you see ads or lookalike sites, skip those and choose the official result to stay safe and ensure you get the latest version. On the Opera GX page, find the Download Opera GX button for Windows and click it. The site usually detects your operating system automatically. Your browser may show a save dialog. Choose the folder where you want the installer to go. Your Downloads folder is a good default. Then click Save. If your browser doesn't ask where to save, it will place the file in your default Downloads folder automatically. You can always open your browser's downloads list to find it if needed. Once the download finishes, open the installer you just saved. On Windows, you may see a security prompt. Select Yes to allow the installer to run. The Opera GX setup window will appear. Before you continue, you can review options like the installation location, whether to make Opera GX your default browser, and whether to import data from another browser. If you're unsure, the default settings are fine. When you're ready, click Install. The installer will download the required components and complete the setup. When it finishes, Opera GX will launch. You can take a moment to go through the first run settings, choose whether to set it as your default later, and explore features like the sidebar and themes. That's all there is to it. You've downloaded and installed Opera GX on Windows successfully.